Going back now to our coronavirus coverage, there's been an ongoing push statewide to get protective gear to frontline healthcare workers. And finally, some good news. The state says shipments are coming in and they're trying to stay on top of the demand. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Eva Zamaris joins us now live in Hartford this morning with a closer look at where things stand. Eva?
Well, good morning to you, Eric. Governor Ned Lamont has been very vocal about the state's PPE supply from the very beginning. He has repeatedly said that he wishes that the federal government did more. That's why he says the state is stepping up. After increasing for weeks, the number of people hospitalized with COVID-19 has dropped these past few days. While it's a promising sign as the coronavirus pandemic continues, Governor Ned Lamont has cautioned we are not out of the woods quite yet. Here's where things stand. There are now almost 27,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Connecticut, and 2,168 people have lost their lives to the virus. To keep these numbers down, there's been an ongoing push to get personal protective equipment to healthcare workers who are on the front line. We've heard from some of them who say they've had to reuse or even make their own PPE because there's not enough to go around. Governor Lamont and his team announced yesterday more shipments of critical gear are coming to Connecticut.
Our mask supply is in very good shape. We've got over 3.5 million surgical masks in, hundreds of thousands of N95s and KN95s, gloves, millions of gloves.
But they say getting gowns has been a challenge. Now, they also express concerns about nasal swabs. This comes as the state is hoping to ramp up testing all across Connecticut. Now, we'll have much more on this story coming up in our next half hour. Live in Hartford this morning, I'm Eva Zamaris, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.